Welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'm going to do a little bit of work back on the Jeep build. I've been neglecting it for a little while, so I'm going to get back on it. I 3D printed these side skirts here that are going to go on the Jeep. What I'm going to do today is epoxy these, back it with fiberglass, so I'll have that ready to go. Trying to get back on the Jeep build. I'm going to do a little bit of everything, which is going to be the Jeep 2077 Cyberpunk build. Let's go ahead and try to get at these, and I'll probably do a little bit more work on the Jeep in this episode, so let's get at it. All right, so now that I got the side skirt on, what I'm gonna do here is this is on PVC board. I'm just go ahead and cut this down, and this is gonna be the under runner for the side skirt. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it as clean as possible, sand down the edge, screw it up to the side skirt itself, see how it looks overall. This is gonna be the permanent splitter underneath. What I'm gonna be doing is doing some carbon on top of this, also some carbon on top of that little wing to the back of the side skirt. I'm just gonna go ahead and score this as clean as possible. All right, so far, it's looking pretty good. I just screwed up everything. Nothing's bolt together, none of that. So I just went ahead and screwed the splitter to the side skirt itself. I have a little gap down here underneath this 3D print, so what I'm gonna do is go back and 3D print an extra little piece here, glue it onto this piece, and that will fill up that gap. And pretty much that's how it's gonna look until I go ahead and do the body work on top of this, and some of the carbon that's gonna be on this wing, and it's gonna transition down to the splitter. All this is going to be one piece together, and these two are going to be separate. Start to do the body, get ready to do the body work, because I really want this car to be finished and out of the way so I could continue working on the Cyberpunk build. So let's go ahead and continue working on this.
Yeah. It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time. Yeah. This is how, getting down. Yeah, hey, this is how, I'll be getting down, This is how, it is really done, they can't figure out. They don't understand, so they want me down and out. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that. Watch me go and bounce right back. Down for the count, but that hound strike back. It get like that. I don't wanna hear it, but you hit me right back. They talking, they told me take the L and move on. Heard it from somebody who's been taking L's their whole life. I don't know what you want. Passive when they play you. Expect the best from people like there's nothing they can do wrong. Seen this movie way too many times to be the fool for you to chew on. Now I'm not complaining, but there's things I can improve on. Why would I fight and retreat, then not study and sleep and recover to be able to smother you? Enough for them, I'm going ghost and I'm up to something. Or maybe I'm up to my wits' ends with all of your stiff trends. I'm sick of the system. I'm not into religion, I need something higher and bigger to fix this. Brothers, sisters betray me that I never wrong. Over here it's all solid, this isn't a prison. This isn't a prison. This is free. This is fiction. Listen, hey, I'm made a bunch of merch. And as soon as I recouped on my expenses, I gave away every other shirt. Good heart, I guess that's why I never finished first. But it's time I put the business first. Cause we ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that. Watch me go and bounce right back. Cause we ain't going out like that, no. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that. Watch me go and bounce right back. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that. We ain't going out like that. Watch me go and bounce right back. We ain't going out like that. I guess some things never change. Like my pops being stuck in his ways. If you hear me, just know that you didn't die in vain. Cause if you didn't have a sun, then there'd never be a rain. Never be a rain. We ain't going out like that. Watch me go and bounce right back. We ain't going out like that.
All right, so I pretty much got everything where I want it to be. The doors are on now. The side skirt is in, leveled out. I put a couple of brackets back here. There's a bracket back here holding on to the body itself. I'm gonna have to do some more work on this side skirt on the inner side of the door to let it roll up into the footwell area. But as far as everything being where it's supposed to be, that I'm satisfied with that. What I was running from the beginning was this door not being able to hinge open properly. I got a little bit of uneven areas here where this seam here, this crease, is not lining up with this one. And also this area on the fender is sticking out a little bit more than the door itself. So I'll be cutting this. When I was modeling the car and doing all the modeling with the clay and stuff like that, this was my first time ever doing it. It's a good job, but it wasn't perfect. And I'm just gonna keep working this whole side of the car, getting it squared out. It's a lot of work. That's what I've been running from, but it gotta get done. Let's just keep moving. All right, I feel like I got into a good point on this Jeep right here that I could go ahead and stop on this video. I was able to do a lot of fabrication work on it. So this side of the vehicle, the driver's side, will pretty much be finished out. In the later videos, I'll go ahead and start doing some body work and stuff like that, trying to line up everything, get everything knocked out. But if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.